Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Harrier LEXUS RX 300. It comes equipped with a 2.2 liter 4-cylinder engine. This vehicle does have an automatic transmission. It comes with 56,378 original miles. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle comes with 90,732 kilometers. The miles is 56,378. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. So let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.